It's already 7:40.
Anna, wake up, sweetheart.
Morning already? Not just morning. We're late.
I'm rushing.
Slow down. Breathe.
I can't do it.
It's okay. I'm here. Where is my sock?
Check under the bed. Found it! My homework.
Here it is.
Oh, thank you. What if the teacher is angry?
You tried your best.
I don't like being late.
Being late doesn't mean being bad.
Tomorrow we wake up early. Deal! This is Lily. Lily is a small girl. Today is a school day.
The alarm clock starts ringing. Lily opens her eyes.
Oh no! I am late! She jumps out of bed very fast. Good morning, Mr. Bear. Good morning, sun. We're gonna have so much fun.
Lily runs to the bathroom.
She brushes her teeth fast. She feels nervous. She washes her face quickly.
Eat your breakfast, Lily. I have no time. Lily, hurry up or you will miss the bus.
She takes her school bag and runs outside. The morning is bright and sunny. Lily runs as fast as she can. She sees the school bus far away. Wait! Please wait! The bus stops. Lily smiles.
She sits down and takes a deep breath.
Lily feels happy. She made it. Lily learns an important lesson. Waking up early makes life easy. Thank you for watching.